Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a personal finance plan with NerdWallet beginner guide step by step clearly. To create a personal finance plan with NerdWallet, begin by visiting the NerdWallet website.
Set up a free account if you don't already have one.
After logging in, navigate to the personal finance section. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available to you.
Start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather your income statements and monthly expenses.
Use the budgeting calculator provided on the site to input your numbers.
Calculate your total monthly income and expenses.
Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Set financial goals for both the short and long term. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a vacation or buying a home. Once you have your goals, create a budget aligned with these objectives.
Use NerdWallet's budgeting tools to help track your progress.
Open any suggested savings or investment accounts directly through the platform.
Consider setting up automatic transfers to these accounts.
Review your budget regularly to adjust based on changing circumstances. Stay informed by reading personal finance articles and tips on NerdWallet. If you have debts, formulate a repayment plan using their debt tools.
Explore options for lowering interest rates or consolidating debts if necessary. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses.
Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Regularly revisit and revise your personal finance plan as needed.
Utilize the calculators for retirement planning and goal tracking. Stay committed to your plan by celebrating small milestones along the way.
Make use of NerdWallet's comparison tools to find the best financial products.
Continue educating yourself through their free resources and guides available online.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.